Good afternoon. I'm going to run you through how to sign up for the Twin Cities Marathon. I will be forwarding this email out to everyone on my email address book. So I'm going to run through this particular link because I have volunteered before. This one is if you are the first timer. So you'll need to create an account and log in, and they'll take you to a page that's called My Profile. So if you're a brand new student, your certification level would be CPR. So here we go. So I'm going to get a screen that looks like this. Okay, next. And it's going to take you and it's going to select all 3 events. We are going to be working the marathon just on Sunday, the 2nd of October. Hit next. Okay, and just click on all of the skills that are relevant. So just going to type in 20 years experience at the Twin Cities Marathon. And so then it's going to ask you to watch the Race Safe video on YouTube and then go to the agreement and the waiver. Click I agree to these terms and services. Scroll down. Lots of interesting information here. So I challenge you to read it all. All right. And so scroll down to the bottom. Hit continue. So if you volunteered before, please select the same assignment as you did last year, as it's very valuable to have experienced volunteers. However, if you'd like to be in another assignment, you can go ahead and do that. ASIO, we're under EMT ASIO / SLP. And so this is not giving me a drop down. So we're going to be at the marathon finish. And let me word it the way they would like it to be worded. EMT ASIO / SLP. Okay. 20-year volunteer. And so then again, there's the Race Safe video, which is mandatory that you watch. It takes 10 minutes maybe. And so registration is complete. And so there's going to be a mobile app that you will download on your phone. So any patient contacts will go into that app on your phone. Next. So then I would just hit next and go through the Race Safe app training. Let me just quickly kind of, the slides aren't popping up and I don't know why. So if I have any questions, click on the support website. Next. And I have completed the training. Not really. I have to go back and do it when it's working. And then currently unassigned, but that will change once I'm registered in. So be looking for the email from me, and we are going to have a great time. So if you're working with Spring Lake Park, we are going to meet at the high school at 7 a.m. on Sunday the 2nd, and then carpool down to the state capitol grounds. You want to carpool and go in as few cars as possible because parking can be somewhat impossible at this event. Look forward to seeing you there.